If you want to pair your JBL Tune 525 with the two devices at the same time, you can actually do this, but first you have to get stable connection with one of the devices. So I have a connection with my phone, and now when my headphones are turned on, I have to use two buttons combination, the volume up button and this play and the pause button. So click and hold these two buttons together, and now when indicator starts blinking, just release, and you will be disconnected from the first device. Now on the second device, you have to go into the Bluetooth settings. Next, you just have to turn it on. And simply take a look for available devices list. Select your JBL Tune 525 Bluetooth headphones from the list. Accept the pairing. Click OK. And as you can see right now, we are connected, and we can actually do the same by tapping here. And we are connected right here and right here. And that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.